So guys, if you have seen my last tutorial, there what we have done is we have implemented the spinner using the array. So this is my array items. So I have passed that here. So if you see my last tutorial, you will come to know. Now there is another way. What we can do is like we can add items to array list. So this will be not there. And then again here what I have to do is I have to create a list and pass the type as string, and I will give the name as list. And then what I have to do is I have to create a new array list. So new array list, it will be type of string, and then I will add. So list dot add book, list dot add pencil, then list dot add book pencil. I will give notebook, then I can give like list dot add laptop. Here I have to pass that list so that item will be come to the adapter. And then after that what I am doing, I am setting that adapter as a drop down to the adapter, and after that I am attaching that adapter to the spinner. And now here as you can see it's giving error. So I will store that position of item in a variable. So what I can do is string item equal to, here you can see parent. So I will pass parent dot get item at position. So I am not taking only position, I am getting the value of the position. So next what I have to do is, what it will do, it will take that selected item and it will get item position will get the position of the item, and here I have to pass the position number. So at the if you are putting 0th position, so it will take the 0th position value, but here I am passing the position dynamically, and then it will get the value after that dot toString. So you will get item at this position, and after that what you can do, you will give this, instead of this you will pass just the item. Now let's check whether it's working or not. Now as you can see, if I select any item, so it will display the. Now suppose if you want to take this value from strings, now there is another way. Like if you go to this string, here you can create items array, like give this string array and you can give the name item, and now item give anything. Suppose I have copy paste one, so I will paste that only. So this item I have string array name equal to string, then item pen pencil book. Now suppose I want to access this in a spinner, that is a drop down. So what I have to do is, instead of this, as you can see it is a resource which is inside the values, resource values, and then the string. So what I will do, instead of this I will comment this line. I have to create this array from the resource. So I will give array adapter, and instead of string I have to pass the char sequence. So this array adapter will be char sequence, and then I will give the name as adapter equal to array adapter. If you see here, I have given new array adapter. Instead of that you have to give array adapter dot, you will see one method called create from resource. So it takes parameter as context, then array adapter char sequence. So I will give this, and first will be this comma, then I have to give this string value. So how I can give it, this is like it comes under the r dot, that is the array. So array dot, you will see the name, so name is item, and then now next is or this or layout. So I'll give that simple layout. So android dot r dot layout dot simple spinner item. This is not useful, so I will comment this. And now let's run. So as you can see, 3 items come here. So if you have any query, you can connect me. Thank you for watching.